Well, hey everybody, this is Gretchen the Green Lady, and I want to leave you a couple of tips for watering your plants right now in this very hot sun. In southeastern North Carolina, we've had temperatures in the high 90s and even higher than that for a day or two. But what I want to encourage you to do is to make sure that your plants are watered enough, because this heat is very harsh on them. I water my plants as soon as I get home from work. I check them, and if possible, I also check them in the morning before I leave for work, because that helps them get through the day. Now, because you'll be watering your plants more, they also will need a little extra fertilizer because you're leaching those nutrients out through the base of your plant, which means that the nutrients just drain through. Here is my alocasia. As you can see, I have some very yellowed leaves, and I have been watering this several times a day, so I need to give it a good high nitrogen fertilizer and green those leaves back up. But this is an example of what I wanted to show you and encourage you to make sure you fertilize if you water your plants a lot and you're seeing signs of a deficiency. When you keep your plants well watered, keep them fertilized, you also keep them from being susceptible to disease or insects. When a plant is in a weakened state, or it's called stressed, I know that seems strange for a plant, it's more susceptible to insects and disease. When we don't take care of our bodies, we're more susceptible to colds and other things that may be going around. So this has been Gretchen the Green Lady, encouraging you to get out there in your garden and get your hands dirty. We have to make sure we keep them safe